Hey guys, D-Sol here, back in the Nerd Cave with a very special unboxing. Now, this is something that I ordered back in October, so you're talking about almost 4 or 5 months ago, and it's finally came in, and I did get the digital code a few months back, but I was really looking forward to getting this in the mail, and like I said, I just got it in today, so let's unbox it and take a look. Alright guys, definitely excited for this one. Been waiting a few months for it. Didn't think I'd actually get in as one of those fund me kind of deals. And here we go. There it is, everybody. It's the and sorry for the light. I'm still trying to get used to doing this. It's the In Search of Darkness, the Dead Meat edition. James on the cover there. And again, like I said, they sent us the digital code a few months back, so I did watch a little bit of this. This is a pretty decent documentary. Over 3 hours worth, 280 minutes worth of features and documentaries, and it's pretty good. It's pretty in-depth. There you go. See what else it comes with. Like I said, this is the Dead Meat edition. Oh, it's pretty cool. So it comes with a pretty cool poster. There we go. Their buddy James right there. Looking all dapper in his suit with a couple knives and a Freddy's claw. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Not a bad poster. Hopefully James will be showing up to some monster conventions in the area. We got Monster Mania coming up soon. I'd love to see him and Chelsea come to one of these conventions in Jersey. That'd be pretty awesome. What else we got here? In Search of Darkness postcard. Nothing on the back, but it's a pretty cool cover. Definitely cool. There, and it's supposed to come with some other stuff, I think. Oh, yeah, that's right. And a pin. A Dead Meat pin. I'm not a huge pin collector, but this isn't too bad. It's Dead Meat, so I'll definitely like that. And again, guys, this is a quick one. Just wanted to quickly show what was in the box here. This is one of the special editions. This is a pretty expensive item too. I was kind of on the fence with it. Like I said, I got it back in October. You only had until October 31st, I believe, before they you weren't able to get it anymore. And I think this fetches a pretty decent price now on eBay and other third-party sellers. So definitely glad I got it when I did. And it does, like I said, come with a digital code, so that's definitely cool. So let's break into this a little bit and see what's inside. From other unboxings I've seen, it seemed kind of a little bare bones inside. Nothing too special about it. And I know it's one of those GoFundMe type things, so understood that it's not, something that's going to be as nice as like a Scream Factory or some sort of kind of release, but again, this isn't too bad. And there's the disc. Nothing, no reverse artwork or anything like that, but yeah, oh, and there I am. Yeah, not too bad. Some disc art at least, and again, James on this one. I always wonder, like when I watch and you guys can tell me in the comments if you've gotten any other kind of editions. I know there was an Elvira edition and a Cinemassacre edition. I'm just curious, I watched some of it from the digital code, and James is in Chelsea are in it, but I'm wondering, are they also in the versions that aren't presented by Dead Meat? I know they do an intro, which I'm sure wouldn't be on any other. I'm sure Elvira does a separate intro, or Cinemassacre does their own intro. But they also do some commentary in the documentary. So again, I'm wondering if that's something that's actually in a documentary or not. So, but again, pretty cool unboxing, pretty cool set. For the amount of money it was, it's definitely like I said, a 280-minute documentary. You get some cool stuff with it too, nice poster. So, definitely something to check out, guys. Like I said, I watched the some of it on the digital, and it was pretty cool. So, if you already own it, I'd love to see what you think. Please feel free to comment below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. And again, this is D Sol from the Nerd Cave. See you later.